This learning tech tip will show you how to quickly set criteria and send targeted messages to students directly from the gradebook. And this is a great alternative to sending those blanket announcements to the whole class. Like if you haven't submitted the sourdough final, this is a reminder that it's due tomorrow. This will target the messaging to only the students the message applies to and help keep your communications relevant to your students. So let's go ahead and open the gradebook in the course. And you'll start by identifying the need. So in this case, this major assignment is due soon. And some of my students haven't submitted it. So I'm going to go ahead and click the three-dot menu at the top of that column and then look for message student 2. And when I click that, here's where I'm going to select that criteria. So maybe I want to offer students who scored less than a 70 on my midterm a chance to take it again if they come to a review session or something like that. I'm just going to set the criteria here. In this case, I'm going to do have not submitted, and it shows me that there's one student who this applies to, and I can click to see who that is. It does add a default subject line, but you can change this if you want to, and then you're just going to go ahead and type your message. And then when you're ready, click send. Now let's take a look at what it looks like from the student perspective. They will get that notification that they have a new message in their inbox. And there it is. As always, you can reach out to your academic technology specialist or 6Tech if you have any questions.